Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft, a fully automatic model, and the BANGSON Compact, a semi-automatic twin tub washer. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to help you choose the best option for your laundry needs. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft is designed for full automation, allowing users to load their laundry and select a cycle without further intervention. In contrast, the BANGSON Compact requires manual operation, where users must transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs and manage water levels themselves. This difference significantly impacts convenience and user experience. When it comes to price, the BANGSON Compact is a clear winner at just $139, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. The COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft, on the other hand, is priced at $345, reflecting its advanced features and fully automatic design. Additionally, the BANGSON's lightweight construction makes it easier to transport, while the COMFEE is bulkier and heavier. The COMFEE features a durable stainless steel tub, which is known for its longevity and resistance to rust. In contrast, the BANGSON uses a polypropylene plastic tub, which is lighter and more affordable but may not offer the same durability over time. This difference can influence the long-term satisfaction and performance of each machine. In conclusion, the choice between the COMFEE and BANGSON washing machines depends on your priorities. If you value convenience and advanced features, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for affordability and portability, the BANGSON is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.